Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have these. These are little ball. They look like tennis balls, but they have. I'll show you here in a second. They are tennis balls, but they have the slit in it, so you can connect it up on. So if you have something like chairs at home that you need to put some legs on, you can put them on there. I only have some patio furniture here. I'm going to show you guys what it is. I don't think it's going to fit on here, but the idea is you'll put this under the leg, and then that'll give you, so it won't scratch up your floors and things like that. So how cool is that? That's a great idea, and they just go on super easy onto a normal leg chair. But so you get a pack of 4 of them, so you can keep a whole chair or a table or something like that. So if you have a table at home that the kids are dragging around, or someone does, or is getting scratched floors and things like that, avoid it like this. Especially like if you're a renter or something. I'm renting a place here. If you're a renter and you don't want to scratch the floor, so you can get your deposit back, just throw some of these on some of your stuff, and you're good to go. So these are nice little set here of 4 of these Magic Angle 4 pieces glide covers, and it'll make it slide a little easier too. If you look at it, it's a tennis ball, so you can see, it'll just go on there, and then it'll slide on like a tennis ball on the bottom of your little feet. So super cool. I like it. Thumbs up.